Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be continuing with our LEGO TECHNIC Peugeot 9X8 build. Let's go ahead and show what we'll be up to. And we'll move the car over there. So today we should be finishing the 3 bags. So we'll be able to get our, I think it's 4 bags. And then I get a blue through here. Ow. Okay. Okay, and now we need 2 of these blues. And, well, I assume we need a black to go in this one back here. There we go. Okay. On to the next page. There's that. And we're actually working on the passenger door right now, if you didn't know. Okay. Let me zoom in a smidge. Okay, and now we need this L. Go on like that, and then this goes in there. Okay. So looking at it like this, we need this piece here to go down there. And put that in. Okay. So, little dog hair there. All right. Okay, now I need this 7 and 4 of these black pieces. This one over here. Okay. Now this slides on here. There we go. Here's the next step. And there's the step of putting the door on. So now we need this, then a piece to go through there. Okay. There's our door. Well, not yet. We have to put a sticker on this piece, which is 8. So let's grab our sticker. It'll work. Okay, and it just pops in here. Yep. Let's bring the car over and put the door in. Okay, so there we go. That's pretty cool. Okay. Interesting. Okay. On to the next page. So first we need one of these. I'm going to put 2 blacks in the back. Or not in the back, but like on the left side. Okay. I need this one, I think. Yeah. And it goes like that. Interesting. So I need this. To go through the top. And goes in the second one, I think. Okay, and now I need one of these. One of these. Okay. On to the next page. And that's where it's going to go on the car. And here's the next page, which is basically doing the same thing, but kind of reversed, I guess. Just looking at it from this angle. Where? What? don't know what it's supposed to slide into. Is it that? Okay. So it wants it to slide into that little black piece there. So just gotta be patient. Oh, well. So just gotta be patient and then we instantly get it. So there we go. Sort of stable. I can go ahead and move that over. Okay, 1 second. I was wondering why it was so dark. I think I forgot to turn on all the lights. Oops. Okay, so now, same thing. Same thing, need this piece. Looking at it like that. This goes through the top, like that. We go to the other page. There are the same steps, and put it on that side. Okay. There we go. Okay, let's bring our car back over. So it pops in that one. I think I'm gonna get this in first, because it is very hard to find it. I think I got it. Okay. There we go. And just like that, we are done with bags 3. So 4, don't want to move that. 4, I think that's it for our 4s. Okay, so we need, I don't think we need these. We don't need those. But we do need this thing. Set that back there. Where is it? Oh, well. Oh, it's in the bag with the rims for some reason. Okay, there's that. And that. Okay, so we'll throw that back over there. And let's go ahead and get our bags open and and get to it. There are a ton of small pieces. Okay, let's get started. So, first we move that back. I need to show the steps first. So there's that. And the next step. So first off, we need a long blue to go in the bottom one and a black piece to go in the bottom left. Okay, we need 2 more long blues to just go halfway. Halfway in the middles. Okay, and now we need this L piece. And sure are a lot of red pieces for there not being any exposed red. Okay, we need another L. This piece, I think, goes back here. Just flattening out the pieces. Where are you? I mean, I guess we can go ahead and put a black over here. So, I mean, it's basically this piece, but it needs to be black. I found it. Oh, found it. There we go. Okay. Now we need a circular piece. Don't drop it. We need it. And this blue goes all the way through. Goes down there. And I'm actually going to end the video there. We will continue with whatever this is in the next part. But if you enjoyed and want to see more of the Peugeot be built, go ahead and subscribe, leave a like, all that fun stuff, and I hope to see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.